Alright folks, I'm at the Queen Studio Experience in the Montreux Casino and I'm so excited, I've been so looking forward to this, so I'm just going to plunge ahead and I'll try and give you the best experience I can. Right, so here we go. We'll start off with a picture of Freddie, well kind of a montage of their albums and stuff. I like this, it's a really nice kind of entrance, kind of fitting Freddie. There's like Freddie tours. Oh, a flash Gordon pinball, I've got to have a shot at that. I like the lines and stuff. Freddie's leotard. I don't know, some of the things might be replicas, I'm not sure. This is all the stuff that you can buy. Might buy a wee t-shirt. Sorry, I'm just looking to see what I buy for myself. Oh, there's key rings. I've got a fridge magnet, that's what I want. I always got a fridge magnet. You know, always a fridge magnet. There's not one. Let's see. There's prints of Freddie. Freddie Monster at Cabaret. So much memories of them. Oh, a Queen turntable. Never saw that before. I did it, no, I did. I saw that, it's the Riga one. I remember seeing that. Medical album. There's wee donations and stuff, so I'm going to come back later. There's no way I'm just coming here once, I'm going to be here a few times, so my last time I put a right good donation in. What's this? So Wi-Fi drum kit, pretty sure it is, so you see it there. Wee thing about the Mercury Phoenix Trust. I'll come back and get one of them. Freddie's favourite dish. I need to come back here tonight. Wee plaque. Let's face it, darlings, we're the most preposterous band that ever lived. I would say that's true, but they're all the better for it. Wee bit of history, 78. They came here, worked on a 7th album, Jazz. Live colours it. I must admit, it's been years since I've listened to live colours. It's 79 they bought the studio. If you saw my previous video, I said 78. Wasn't far off. Fun in space. I'm glad I've mentioned a wee bit of the solo work. The Hot Space album, a very underrated album, but I'll talk to that one. They got all the solo albums, all the solo work. I think Roger Taylor's Strange Frontier, I think that's my favourite. And I'm glad it got a mention there. There's the cross. I got that. Can't remember, it's been a while. I think that's the Shove It album. I think that's the one that's got Heaven for Everyone. I think Roger's girlfriend at the time said it was the greatest hit that Queen never had, but eventually it did become a hit because they reworked it. Have you heard Roger Taylor's version with the cross, with Roger singing it? It's quite good. So it's just as good. I should say. November 1989. That's when they started work on Innuendo, which is my favourite Queen album, by far. Right, May working on his first solo album. 93, they concluded the sale. Oh, I didn't realise they sold it to David Richards. I didn't know that one. I knew he worked here for a while after it, actually. And they did their last album, Made in Heaven, here. December 2013, the studio experience opens. I didn't realise it was that long ago. I wish I'd done this sooner. If you look over the balcony, you see the main casino hall. This is originally built for events and concerts, including every Montreux Jazz Festival from 75 to 92. Oh. Right, well, let's take a look and see. Don't know, I take it I talk to the phone. Don't know. Anyway, that's about 5 minutes, so I'm going to have a wee look and see. Oh, you can go by a wee Freddie Mercury record. How do we know it? You can tell there's a lot of them. They're the band along the lake. I'm not sure who that is. I don't know if that's Freddie's sister or not. But let's see. What I say to start with, the prawn suit from It's a Hard Life video. It'll start here. Start with Jazz, that's the first album. Uh, just let me see what we've got. Well, Jazz has Bicycle Race and Fat Bottom Girls, that was the two kind of big songs. Then there's Don't Stop Me Now, the kind of obvious, are probably the biggest hits from that album. Um, oh, there's a cyclist that infamous naked woman on a bike on bikes. You can, well, I think you used to be able to listen to live colours, but obviously it's not working just now. Live colours. What space? everything. Right. I don't know if this is on.
Hi, this is Roger Taylor here from Queen. Welcome to Mountain Studios Montreux. This next epic track is the title track from the last album we recorded here, Made in Heaven. It's a particular favourite of Brian and myself, written by Freddie for his solo album. Quite a long time before, we decided to re-record it, and we think it's one of our finer tracks. So why don't you have a go at mixing it yourself? If you put the faders in a straight line, it'll sound like the album mix, and you can turn things up or down in any way that you like. And don't forget, the drums should be extremely loud, probably louder than everything else, and in a perfect world, so you can't hear anything else. Thank you. Enjoy.
I've just got a wee go at mixing this here. Love. Last two songs, A Winter's Tale and Mother's Love. Really phenomenal experience. Now, I'm going to stop recording and go and enjoy myself. So please like, subscribe, share, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.